Hello guys and welcome to another deeper video. Today taking an in-depth look at Commercial Metals Company, CMC. Commercial Metals Company is a producer of rebar and related products for the construction industry. Along with Nucor, it is one of primary suppliers of steel used to reinforce concrete in buildings, bridges, roads, and infrastructure in the US. As of the 6th of January 2025, the stock is priced at $48.9 with a market cap of 5.6 billion. Their forward PE is 13.1, very close to their median 10-year PE of 12.7. Their price to cash flow is 7.48 and their forward dividend yield is 1.47%. The revenue has grown by 44.7% over the past 5 years. Their net income has increased by 73.8%. Their earnings per share has increased as well by 77.7%. Their common shares outstanding have decreased slowly by 2.6%. Their liquidity and solvency also looks pretty good. As we can see, their interest coverage ratio is 14.5, which is very good. Their quick ratio is 2.78, which is also extremely good, indicating a very solid foundation and very good short-term liquidity. The long-term debt-to-equity ratio is 0.24, and the debt-to-equity ratio is also 0.24, indicating a low debt load. The cash from operations has increased by 13.7%. The cash from investing has increased by 68.2%. The cash from financing has increased by 26.7%. The capex has increased by 73.3%, and the free cash flow has slightly decreased by 4.8%. As for their financial ratios, the return on equity is approximately 11.5%. The return on investments is 13.9%. The return on assets is 6.2%, and the return on invested capital is 10%. As for their fair buy price, they're using a DCF valuation with a 9% discount rate, a 3% revenue growth rate for 10 years, and a 2% growth in perpetuity. We arrive at a valuation of $49.2. Using 12.5, 12.5, and 15 multiples, we get a $73.82 valuation. And the average analyst expectations, at least on Yahoo Finance, is $62. So we get an intrinsic value of $61.67. And applying a 15% margin of safety, we get an acceptable buy price of $52.42. Stressing that the stock at the current levels is a buy. Now, as for a conclusion, a short commentary, I believe that this stock is actually a great company. This is actually a great company in my opinion. They have a solid balance sheet. They're trading at not necessarily great valuations, but pretty good valuations. Historically speaking, although their price to earnings is slightly above their average, their price to cash flow is actually below their historical average. And I believe that because they will grow their earnings and their operating cash flow in the next 2 to 3 years, and their capex is also uh, starting to go down, so their free cash flow will start growing again. I think that this will make Commercial Metals Company a company that is not only a buy, but actually not a growth company, but a sort of recovery company. It's a situation where a company that hasn't really grown that much experiences boon, a boom, a boon in their stock price. Um, Let me give an example. If, for example, US Steel somehow manages to grow 10% in a year and manages to become much more profitable, then that's a recovery company. And this is one which I believe can go under that category. It's a company. Why is it a recovery company? Because although their net income has increased, their free cash flow is basically decreased. So, and free cash flow is basically the most important thing. And free cash flow, and if their free cash flow starts growing again, then I think that will be reflecting in the stock price very quickly. Um, and yeah, this is a great company. Their balance sheet is perfect. They have growth prospects. They're in a stable business. I'm not really sure what I can counter this company with. Of course, they're on due diligence, but they're also trading at a great valuation with a almost 30% margin of safety. So it's not like buying this, you don't have any leg room. A 30% margin of safety is pretty good, in my opinion. Now, to end this video, I would like to please shout out Ticker Data, our affiliate. Ticker Data is a great tool. I've used it many times. You can check out Ticker Data in the description. Ticker Data is great for managing your portfolio in Excel, for doing DCFs. They have a lot of templates, and you can actually get real-time data on Excel. Yeah, I know it's pretty interesting, but you must check it out if you really want to see it. It's so great. And they're my affiliate not only because, of course, they came to me, but I actually use it. It is just so great. So please check out the description and also check out my blog. You can check it out in my description where I do, in my blog, I do in-depth analysis on a diverse set of stocks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.